Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss about how we can set up the AutoCAD Classic workspace. Now we are in the drafting and annotation workspace. When you open the AutoCAD file, you will be getting this workspace only. So this we call it as ribbon. In this ribbon we will be having draw tools, modify, annotation, layers, blocks, properties, groups, utilities and so on. When you open any AutoCAD version, whether it is a 2020, 21 or whatever it is, you will be getting this default workspace. When you set up the classic workspace, it will be very simple and easy for use. So that is the reason we are learning here how to set up the AutoCAD Classic workspace. This ribbon, if we wanted to close, we can close it. That we can do it by using the command called ribbon. See, when you enter the command ribbon, so here you will be getting the option ribbon. That means it shows the ribbon, and if you click on this ribbon close, the ribbon will get hide. And again you can type the same command ribbon and just click on this. See, you got the ribbon over here. If you want this workspace option over here on the top, add any of these options, you can just click on this. See, I'm just checking this workspace so that you will be getting the workspace over here. And if you click on this icon, here you will be having the one more option called show menu bar. This you can click to get these menu bars like file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, draw, dimension and all. You will be getting the menu bars over here. In this go to tools, under palettes you have the ribbon option. If you just click on this, the ribbon will get hide, and if you wanted to get the ribbon over here, again you can click on this. If you work with this ribbon, it will be little difficult for you because in the top you will be having the menu bars and then again you have this ribbon, and you will get confused every time you have to go and look into each and every tool that you wanted to use. So that's why we are going to set up with the AutoCAD Classic workspace, which will be very simple and convenient to work in the AutoCAD workspace. Now let's see how we can set up the AutoCAD Classic workspace. To do that, first we need to close this ribbon. Go to this tools and then palettes, close the ribbon. Now let's set up the toolbars. First go to tools, under toolbar click on this AutoCAD. In this just select draw toolbar, so you will be getting the draw toolbar like this. Line command, polyline, rectangle, circle, everything will come over here. And again go to toolbar, AutoCAD, and then select the modify toolbar, so that will be set up over here. So if you wanted to arrange as per your convenient, you can do that. You have to just drag like this, and then if you put it over here, this toolbar you can drag and keep wherever you want, and then you have the close button over here. If you close this one, it will hide. And again if you wanted to get it, go to tools and toolbars, AutoCAD, and again you can get it by using this draw option. Now it is in the horizontal way. Just if you drag this one to this end, it will be in the vertical position now. Okay, so next again let's go to toolbars and then let's add more options over here. We can add layers. See, layers has been added over here. Next go to toolbar, AutoCAD. We can add the properties. This we can keep over here, and then again go to toolbar. Standard we can add because that will be having all the options like save and all, and this pan option, zoom and all. So this we require. This layer we can put it in the down side. If you wanted to arrange in 2 rows, you can do that. Just taking out these dimensions and then keeping this layer here, and again I'm going to keep this one here. Next let's go to toolbar, AutoCAD. We can take this text option so that it will come over here. See, this is the text option. So if you wanted to add any multi-line text or single line text, whatever it is, you can do by using these tools. So we can keep it near this layer options, and we can just move this one to this corner. Go to tools again. Let's add the zoom option as well. See, it has come over here. You can keep it in this area. And that's all. This is according to my convenient. Actually, I have taken the draw toolbars, dimensions toolbars, layer bar, and then standard one, zoom options, text options. So as per your convenient, you can choose whatever the toolbars you want. You can keep it over here, and then you can work accordingly. This inquiry also, it will be very useful when you want to get the accurate dimensions. It will be very useful. So I'm going to keep it over here. So this is how you have to set up your classic workspace. See, I'm just dragging this one and putting here in the vertical direction itself. Just I'm keeping here means, so it is increasing the space over here so that this workspace will get decreased. If I keep here, you will get more workspace. So that is the main reason. If you set up like this, it will be very easy and convenient and very simple to work in the work area. So this is how you have to set up your classic workspace. Now look into this workspace. This shows that drafting and annotation. Now you set up all the toolbars. If you don't save this workspace, again if you open the AutoCAD file, you will be getting that ribbon only. You will be redirecting to this drafting and annotation workspace only by default. So in order to avoid that, if you want this workspace forever, when you use the AutoCAD file, you have to save these settings. So to do that, what you have to do is go to save current as, select this option, so you can save the workspace whatever you have set up now. Okay, so here you have to give the name for your workspace. I'm giving AutoCAD Classic Workspace 2023. See, I'm just naming like this and then give save. So now you are in the workspace of AutoCAD Classic Workspace 2023. Okay, so now if you open the AutoCAD file, always it will be redirecting to this workspace. If it is redirecting to the drafting and annotation workspace, also you can change to your saved workspace by clicking this option, and then you can just choose AutoCAD Classic Workspace 2023. Now you will be getting this workspace, which will be very convenient and simple for you to work. So friends, that's all about this video. I hope you all have learned about how we can set up the AutoCAD Classic Workspace. Let's meet in the next lecture.